Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 23, 2022, hard Sudoku, 5th grade. 3 numbers are remaining. 276. 7th row, column G, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we will add of 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column D, column I, we have pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9, column I, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th row, 9th row, and 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 2nd row and 3rd row, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Column F also we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 3. Third row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 5, 8. 10th row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 7, 9. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 9, 8. Column I, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 7th grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. 3rd row and column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column C, 2nd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 8 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column D, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row we have 8. Column I also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 10th row and 4th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row and column B we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column B we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 7. 6th grade. We have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. 6th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade. 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 9. Column H we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 10th row 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6. Column B we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. 4th grade only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. 6th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. 7th row only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 6th row 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Second row only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. 2nd grade 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9. 4th row we already got 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 4th row 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. Column J we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 3rd row only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.